Okay, welcome to Metric Realty's and the Real Estate Experience. Real quick, just to let you know, we're going to talk real quickly about how to set up your Google AdWords in your Google Analytics. Please remember, you can always go to us and set up demos at any time, and we'll book appointments with us, and we'll help you through the process of setting this up. Why is it important? Because it'll save you a ton of money. And it will actually allow you to do a better job. And what I mean by that is that I see a lot of agents paying people for pay per click sign up, and it's one of the easiest things to do. And when you're paying somebody else like Real Geeks or something like that to set that up, it's a waste of money, number one. And number two, you're going to be able to, if you take a little bit of time to learn this, you're going to be able to analyze and do a better job because you know what keywords you want your clients searching for. You know what kind of goals you're setting as far as conversion rates for yourself. So remember, you can always set up anytime, set up a time with Metric Realties, and we'll help you so that you can get better at doing this. But let's talk about going to Google Ads. And when you talk about Google Ads, this is just a little campaign that I set up. But when you go to Google Ads, Bing, which is Microsoft's AdWords, basically is the same, works the same way, right? So there's a couple of things that you do when you go to create here. You're going to first obviously open an account. You're going to go ahead and create a campaign, okay? And inside this campaign, you'll have a couple of things that you can choose from, right? Sales, leads, website traffic. This is what most people are going to want to do. This is where you're asking, basically setting up to get traffic to your site. So we're going to do this, but remember, you can also go ahead and create an environment where you could boost one of your videos, for example, that you did on YouTube, for example, and you could boost that video in here as well. But we're going to do website traffic, and we're just going to press continue. Don't worry about that down there. You can go ahead and click search, display ads. The difference of each one of these is that when you talk about video, obviously you're going to be talking about and bringing one of your YouTube videos in here. Search means somebody is searching, goes to Google and searches some kind of keyword you want to pop up on top. People, remember, are going to talk about getting SEO and all of this stuff to get you up to the top. That's going to not be realistic for the majority of people out there. And what I mean by that is that you have companies spending hundreds of thousands of dollars to be on the top. Pay per click is probably going to be the best chance that you have to show up on the top results if that's what you wanted to do. And what you can do is you can get it down to where it shows up just in your area if you're targeting one spot. So Performance Max, this means it's going to not only go into Google search if someone goes to Google and searches, or same way with Microsoft, goes to Microsoft search engine, Bing, and searches, but it will also work on, it'll also go to all the partners. So if they're searching on some Yahoo or something like that, it'll also potentially show up. Display ads, those are ads that basically have an image attached to it, and again, it will go to it'll go to partners and so forth. But we're going to simply just do search, and we're going to say you're going to go ahead and do whatever website, so let's say put in the website that you're interested in advertising, and you're going to name the campaign whatever you want, and you're going to just go continue, and you're going to start anew. Okay, so this is a bidding strategy. You're going to allow Google to go ahead and decide what your bidding strategy is. So in the past, you'd set bids and stuff, but nowadays, price per click that you get. But in this environment, we'll just let them do that. You can include Google search partners, or you could take them off. It's up to you on whether or not you want to do that. This will make it go to more sites, but some people prefer just to have it go to the search network. You'll have to see which one you decide, and you could have two ads, two campaigns running at the same time to decide which one you like better, which one's generating more leads on your site and generating more business. You're going to go put in the location that you're interested in, and you're generally going to do enter a location. So that's going to be, that means you're targeting a specific spot or some kind of specific area or neighborhood, right? And why you would want to do that is because that way your ads are simply going to those people in that area. Obviously less money, right? If I have a limited amount of budget, I don't want it going to the entire world. I want it to go to a specific area. Now what you're going to do is you can pick a language if you want to, but you're just going to go next. This is how easy it is to set up. Keywords. This is going to be where you're going to spend the majority amount of your time analyzing what kind of keywords you want. They'll give you some suggestions, but you'll want to put your own keywords in there, okay? So you're going to go ahead and put your own keyword. So you can clear all those out, and you could simply put one keyword or a variety, or just, buyer's agent Laguna Beach. Maybe you'd want to do that, or your specific area. Again, the whole idea behind this is that when you have these keywords that are specific that you're interested in getting out to your clients, it's about branding yourself, and it's also about making it less expensive for you, right? Because you're specifically targeting these keywords. You're then, once you get these keywords in here, whatever those keywords are that you like and that are performing well, you're then going to go ahead and analyze those. So I'm putting one in, buyer's agent Laguna Beach. Again, just an example. Then you can put your ad, and your ad is as simple as creating text. So whatever that messaging you want to get, you can simply put that here, and it'll go ahead and launch your campaign. It's that simple to launch a campaign. You're going to set an average, and then you're going to click launch, and it'll launch this campaign. Now, when you launch that campaign, the next thing that you're going to do is analyze how that campaign is working for you and generating for you. And what I'm saying is that if you learn how to do this, you'll be able to do a better job, because you're going to change those keywords based on how many leads you've got, what happened. You're also going to set up a Google Analytics account as well. And remember, again, you can always schedule a meeting with us, and we'll help you get proficient at this. Once you get your campaign set up, you can go look at how your keywords are performing. And you can add keywords, or you can take away keywords based on how well they've done, right? So but you might want to look at it and go, okay, I got 19 clicks, there's 374 impressions. Click-through rate is 5%, 7%, that's pretty good. But is it translating into any business on my site or not? How are you going to go ahead and analyze whether or not you're getting any type of conversions? You're going to have to spend some time doing that by keeping track of this, obviously, of any leads you get, and obviously any conversions you get that translate into business, and where they came from. How are you going to do that? You're going to have to ask your clients where they came from. How did they learn about your services? And then you'll go ahead and keep track of that on a spreadsheet or something like that, so you could analyze how well they're doing. Next thing you're going to want to do is set up a Google Analytics account. By going to Google Analytics, you're going to go ahead, and again, we'll do this for you if you're with Metric Realties, and you'll be able to simply go on your Google account and look at it. But basically what's going to happen here is Google gives you a code that we can input into your site, and it'll track everything that's occurred with your particular site. So you'll know who came from where, what happened, what property they clicked on. You can see all of that. We also have inside of Metric Realties that information for you as well. So again, you might be able to reach out to a client, let them know, but you'll also see how everything is occurring for you, where they're coming from, and you'll be able to start analyzing that, so you can start really starting to see where your customers are coming from, and what might be working and what might not be working. Again, we have people reach out all the time, and we'll help you through the process, but this is just the start. And also regarding any pay-per-click, Facebook, any type of social networking, advertising, we can help you there as well. Very simple, and there's no need to go off and pay someone to do it. Thank you.